Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. I brought marshmallows. Let's roast them up a little bit. Here we go. Oh shit. There we go. Get it a little cooked up. Get it a little warm. Ooh. Ooh. Uh-oh. I think I burnt it. Happy Thanksgiving from Maxed Out. Cheers. Not bad. Homemade s'mores without graham crackers. I might have those. Maybe I'll do that one later. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna make s'mores with the lighter. I found him. I found the graham crackers. I got it. Let's just get it burnt up a little bit. I mean, you're not supposed to burn this shit, but... My life is on fire! Happy Thanksgiving, everybody! Ooh, that looks tasty. Let's get a little bit on the bottom there. There we go. Anyways, that looks good. That looks good. All right, s'mores time. Oh. Ooh. Tasty. Actually looks pretty good. Homemade s'mores for Thanksgiving, baby. Cheers again. From your boy Maxed Out. See ya.